Before it was like Eclipse, and then we moved down to VS Code, which is like a lightweight tool, and it's free also again. So VS Code, as we said, we need to install like Salesforce CLI, Java we need to install, and after setting the environment variables, we can install the VS Code. Once you install VS Code, you can go to extension, something like this, and you have to install Salesforce DXE, Salesforce extension pack, Salesforce CLI, and you need to install another tool called Salesforce extension. Once you install this, now you are ready to connect with your Salesforce organization. Whatever you do first we need to create a project in our local computer, in our local machine. So for that, if it is a Mac, I'll be using Command Shift. If it is a Windows, you would be using Control Shift. So it is Command Shift or a Control Shift, SFDX. You need to type SFDX colon create project with manifest. Create project with manifest. Okay, actions are getting activated. SFDX create project with manifest. Oh, before to that, let it load. Meanwhile, we'll see another changes. So you can open your command prompt or a terminal based on your operating system.